The 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid is designed with a clear and thoughtful purpose. Rather than chasing bold styling trends or aggressive performance figures, Toyota focuses on building a vehicle that feels dependable, calm, and easy to live with every single day. This compact sport utility vehicle is aimed at drivers who value predictability and comfort over excitement. It is made for daily routines, such as commuting through busy urban streets, handling school drop-offs, and cruising comfortably on long highway journeys. By adapting the trusted Corolla hybrid platform into a taller and more versatile shape, Toyota creates a vehicle that feels familiar, welcoming, and unintimidating from the first moment behind the wheel. Pricing plays a major role in defining the appeal of the 2026 Corolla Cross Hybrid. For this model year, the starting price is expected to be around $30,000, while higher trim levels may reach approximately $34,000. This pricing positions the vehicle as an accessible hybrid option for buyers who want strong efficiency and modern safety technology without stepping into luxury territory. Toyota reinforces this value-driven approach by including a full suite of driver assistance features as standard. Even the base version feels well-equipped, supporting the idea that this vehicle is built for long-term ownership rather than short-term impressions. From the outside, the 2026 Corolla Cross Hybrid receives subtle updates that refine its look without changing its practical character. The front bumper and grille have been refreshed to appear cleaner and more modern, while still maintaining a friendly and approachable design. Higher trims, such as the XSE, gain newly designed 18-inch wheels that add a touch of visual confidence without sacrificing ride comfort. Toyota also introduces a new exterior color called Cavalry Blue, offering buyers a fresh and contemporary choice. On certain trims, this color can be paired with a black roof, creating a balanced contrast that feels stylish yet restrained. Inside the cabin, the emphasis remains firmly on usability and comfort. The updated center console improves storage and organization, making everyday items easier to access. The infotainment screen grows to 10.5 inches, providing clearer graphics and smoother responsiveness. On higher trims, a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument display presents driving information in a clean and modern layout. Comfort features are expanded as well, with heated front seats and a heated steering wheel standard on the XSE trim and available on the SE. The interior design avoids unnecessary complexity, focusing instead on visibility, intuitive controls, and a relaxing atmosphere. Powering the Corolla Cross Hybrid is a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine paired with 3 electric motors. This system produces a combined output of 196 horsepower and comes standard with all-wheel drive. The result is confident traction in varying weather conditions and noticeably stronger acceleration compared to the non-hybrid version. Acceleration to 60 miles per hour takes around 7.3 seconds, which feels more than sufficient for daily driving. The suspension is tuned slightly firmer to improve control, yet the ride remains smooth and composed. The vehicle is also capable of towing up to 1,500 pounds, adding extra versatility for light recreational needs. Efficiency remains one of the strongest reasons to choose this model. While official fuel economy ratings for the 2026 version have not yet been finalized, previous versions have delivered excellent results in city, highway, and combined driving. Real-world highway testing has shown clear efficiency advantages over non-hybrid competitors, especially during longer trips. Cargo space measures around 22 cubic feet behind the second row, providing practical room for groceries, luggage, or everyday gear. Higher trims enhance the experience further with faux leather upholstery, a sunroof, ambient lighting, and expanded connectivity features. Overall, the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid stands as a balanced and well-considered vehicle that